Hi, this is Wes Simpson, founder of LearnIPVideo.com and one of your hosts for VidTrans21. This is a short video that's going to help you learn how to use the new feature in Zoom that we're hosting on the VidTrans21 platform that allows you to move within breakout rooms once you've entered a specific Zoom room. Please check it out. One of the most important things that you need in order to get this feature to work properly is the latest version of Zoom, or at least one that's later than version 5.5.3. To check your Zoom version, open your desktop client, click in the upper right corner where your image is, identifying you as the user of this account, and then in the pop-out menu, click on Check for Updates. That will start a process to make sure that you have the latest version of Zoom installed on your device. When you have successfully updated your Zoom, you should see a message like this pop up on your screen telling you that you are up to date. One place where we will be using breakout rooms is in the VSF Pub, which is open to anybody attending VidTrans21. When you enter the pub, you should see an icon pop up at the bottom of your Zoom window, which says Breakout Rooms, as indicated by the red arrow. If you don't see this icon, you may need to widen your Zoom window, or you may need to click on the More button, which would be located to the right of your bottom screen icons, and this will allow you to enter the breakout rooms. Once you click on the Breakout Rooms option, you'll see a pop-up window that shows up showing you the current status of the breakout rooms that are in progress. As you can see in the VSF Pub, there's a bunch of different rooms that are available. On Windows platforms, you'll see a Join icon on each room. On the Apple platforms, you'll see a number there. If you hover your mouse over that number for a specific room, it will switch to give you a join icon. This screen grab shows what happens after three of us have all joined the dartboard breakout room. You can see our names listed underneath the dartboard icon, and on my PC it tells me that I have joined the dartboard room. You'll also notice that at the bottom of your original Zoom window there will be an icon that says Leave Room. Again, if you can't see that icon, try resizing your window for Zoom or try clicking on the More button. You should be able to see that blue button, which allows you to leave the room at any time. If you click the Leave Room button, you'll get a pop-up. And the pop-up will ask you whether you want to simply leave the breakout room, which would put you back to the main room of the pub, or it will allow you to leave the meeting, which will end your current Zoom session. Of course, you can always go back to join a new Zoom session by going to the main map on your browser of the VidTrans21 guide. This screen shows what happens after the three of us have left the dartboard room. You can still see the status, but you'll see that our names are grayed out. The green bubble next to our names has become clear, and we're allowed to join the room again. Once you're back in the main room, in this case we're back in the main pub, you'll see that the Zoom window has been updated, and that if you hover your mouse near the bottom of your Zoom window, instead of seeing the blue leave button, you'll see a red leave button. If you press this red leave button, that will exit you from the Zoom meeting entirely and allow you to navigate to another booth or to another room on the VidTrans21 platform. Thanks for watching. Hope this was informative, and I look forward to visiting many of you at the pub during VidTrans21. Thank you.